What's going on YouTube? It is Ron Comes in Handy, the Tradesman Services and Solutions, and I want to give a video for a little DIY handyman tip. So I'm in this bathroom right now and I am demoing this bathroom so it can be remodeled. And so this video is going to be about what you need and what you need to know to remodel a bath, or not remodel, demo a bathroom. So stay tuned. Before we continue on, please subscribe to this channel because I know you'll like it. So let's get straight into it. The things you need. So as you can see, I got PPE on. That's personal protection equipment. So I always wear my hat. That's all. I have long hair. You see that this probably has dust in it right now, but so nothing could fall in my hair. I have goggles, I have a mask, and I have gloves on. Depending on how much you're going to do will depend on what actually do you need. Sometimes you might not need goggles, sometimes you might not need the mask, but you definitely going to need gloves. Also, knee pads. Again, depending on what you're doing on demoing, depends if you need knee pads. I'm wearing knee pads because I have to demo the floor also, and this is tile. Next tip is that demoing a bathroom is going to be a minimum of 2 days. If you're a beginner or this is a DIY project, it's going to be a minimum of 2 days, especially if you're doing this by yourself. There's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot you need to know. So just demoing it. I'm not talking about remodeling, just demoing it. So you're probably going to spend a weekend to demo your bathroom. Next thing you'll need is protection, also not for yourself, but for the rest of the house. So some drop cloths. So this is a canvas drop cloth. You can also get plastic drop cloths. They're right here to the side. So I put that over the opening that goes into the closets and into the bathroom, bedroom. And then there's also some drop cloths covering the closet openings, and I put a drop cloth over the bed. Sorry, I had a brain fart. So yeah, and then also you get this construction paper to put on the floor. So if you have hardwood floors, you're going to use this right here with some blue tape. That's also what you're going to need. If you got carpet, use the canvas drop cloth. You might want to use, this is a 12 by 15. This covers like a bedroom, like from corner to corner. But if you're doing like hallways and pathways, just get the one that's like 4 by 16 or 5 by 15. Those are the longer ones, long, thinner ones. You're definitely gonna need a broom dustpan. Make sure you get the good quality one. Get like maybe a metal dustpan, and not no flimsy ones like for 15 bucks. Invest in it. You know, because trust me, it'll be better, because the flimsy ones, the flimsy broom, it won't even sweep up like some of the debris. Like I'm doing tile for the floor, it's a hassle with the flimsy broom. So I suggest like either a thicker plastic dustpan or a metal dustpan and a good quality broom. So get those, make sure you get those. Power tools. So there's a tool for every job. Power tools make the job easier, right? So impact driver, this is to take out screws. So getting rid of the vanity, you know, there's screws that go from the vanity into the wall that are most likely in studs. So in the impact driver, you can use a regular screwdriver, Phillips, but this will make it 10 times faster. Get them all out. Also get a flathead just in case, can't go wrong. Depending on what type of floor you're doing, this was a tile floor. So I have my rotary hammer, the SDS rotary hammer, and then I have a tile chipper. Make it a lot more easier. So you just put it at an angle, make sure you put it on the hammer setting, and it chips up the tile, goes right underneath. They also have the manual one where you get a hammer and a chisel. It's almost like a chisel, like this, and you hit it and it breaks up the tile. Now I'm getting rid of a bathtub right behind me. So most bathtubs, some bathtubs are it's a material called there's some bathtubs that you use a Sawzall and you get a wood blade that can cut through it. like, well, not like butter, but it'll cut through it. So make sure you have a Sawzall with different types of blades. You might also need to use a Sawzall to cut your vanity in half. So Sawzall. If you look behind me, I made a hole so I can see where the piping is at for the faucets. So angle grinder is how I did that. You can also use the oscillating tool, but this is faster. Angle grinder, and I forget what type of blade this is, but this is a blade to cut through this type of material that the tub is. And like I said before, multi-tool or oscillating tool, they're both the same thing. Have different type of blades, blades for metal, blades for wood. You never know when you might need this. This is like a must-have if you're going to be doing DIY projects. It really helps out a lot. And then a shop vac. I got my shop vac right here. Wet and dry vac, so in case you have a leak somewhere when you take something apart, you know, you could soak up the water. And then when I was cutting this hole out right here, you know, there's gonna be a lot of dust coming out. So this prevents dust from getting all over the place. So I did protect the room with the plastic sheets, but this helps like gather the dust so it won't get all over the place. So handheld tools. First on the list, you get a wrench. Some type of wrench. Adjustable wrench, crescent wrench. This is my baby right here. I can't even find these anymore. Maybe because the stores I go to don't carry this brand. But this is a great wrench right here. Use this for disconnecting the supply lines from the angle stops for the sinks and for the toilet. So you use this right here. Also for the bolts that hold the toilet down, this right here comes in handy. Like I said, you have the Phillips head right here for the impact driver. Also have a Phillips screwdriver, also have a flat head. You're gonna need a hammer. When you're doing tile, if you don't have a tile chipper or a rotary hammer, just have a hammer and a chisel, and you can just start hammering this and it'll start breaking piece by piece. I did that with some of the floor, and I'm gonna do this with this also. Do that with this. I'm sorry, I'm already tired. You're gonna need like a pry bar, a crowbar, and like a trim bar. So when you're taking off the floor, you want to take off the baseboard, and you want to use like a flat bar. So I use this guy right here. This side goes right between the wall and the trim, and then you just pry it out. You also have some other ones that are like L-shaped. They are like called flat bars. Those are good too. But use what you have. I have this right here. This is good for taking out nails, and this is also good for taking out trim. Flat bar would be ideal. Also, when you're taking out the trim, you want to use your utility knife, which I don't have. Utility knife. So just a regular utility knife. This is by Milwaukee. I like this one because this also has a head to where you can have a Phillips and a flat head. They come with it double-sided. I always lose the head, so I have to buy a whole new one. But you want to score the trim from the wall, and that makes it easier for you to take the trim out and not like take any piece of the wall out, because there's caulking that's in between the wall and the trim, and if you don't score it, you have a chance of the caulking ripping off a piece of the wall. You're going to also want maybe a fan, because it gets hot in here. All they have is this window in this bathroom. They have this window. I don't think they have an exhaust fan in here. There's an exhaust. I don't think there's an exhaust fan in the toilet room. So get like a portable fan. It gets hot. Get some water and have some music. You know you're gonna be doing this for a while, so have some music to kill some time and have a good time while you're doing this hard job. And then last but not least, if you want this job to go quicker, you can do it by yourself, but you want to go quicker, get a helping hand. I don't care if you have to hire help or if you have a family member or a friend. While you are demoing stuff, this person could be picking up garbage and tossing it out. Speaking of garbage, that's one thing I skipped over, is get you some garbage bags. Now, not any type of garbage bags. You want to get you these contractor cleanup bags. This one's 3 mil. Get like the highest mil possible, because the higher the mil, the thicker it is, so it won't rip so easily. So don't use not no grocery bags, like trash bags you use for like household waste. You want to get like some contractor bags. What's even more ideal is get the one that said demolition bags or demo bags. Those are the woven bags that are made for like tiles and like heavier, sharper objects to be put in there. These is good too. The reason why I got this, not the demo bags, because they were out. But this is gonna do. And I have a trash can too that's like maybe a 30 gallon, I believe. This is a 42 gallon, yeah. I think the trash can I have that's right behind you is a 30 gallon. So trash bags. And I said it already before, but blue tape. You'll need blue tape to put the plastic sheet around to close off stuff. Also to, yeah, you never know when you need blue tape. So just keep that in mind. But that's it. That's all I have. If I missed anything, drop it in the comments. I'm pretty sure I missed something, but this is all I have to do this demo for this. This house has 3 bathrooms. I've demoed each bathroom. This is the third and last one, and somebody's gonna come in and remodel it. I might help remodel. I'm doing electrical. I'm adding a light right here. So yeah, if this helped you, please leave a like and please subscribe. More videos coming soon. Almost at 1,000 subscribers, so keep on subscribing. I'm almost at 1,000. I'm probably at this video I'm at 890. So I just need 110 more to get my 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized and I can have more content. And you guys subscribing and liking the video and commenting helps out this channel a lot. I've been a year self-employed and things have just been going up, and you guys are helping out too. So you guys leave comments and tips and everything. Tell me what I did wrong. Give me criticism, and I don't get mad at the criticism because I know I'm just, I'm still fairly new at doing this, and you're never too old to learn. So, and I don't know everything. So you guys need help and tips, and I'm all for it. So I'll see you guys next time.